Greetings, citizens of the world. This is a message from Anonymous, for Elon Musk. For the past several years you have enjoyed one of the most favorable reputations of anyone in the billionaire class, because you have tapped into the desire that many of us have to live in a world with electric cars and space exploration, but recently your carefully created public image is being exposed. Reading from the comments on your Twitter posts, it seems that the games you have played with the crypto markets have destroyed lives. Millions of retail investors were really counting on their crypto gains to improve their lives. This is something that you will never understand because you were born into the stolen wealth of a South African apartheid emerald mine and have no clue what struggle is like for most of the working people in the world. Of course, they took the risk upon themselves when they invested, and everyone knows to be prepared for volatility in crypto, but your tweets this week show a clear disregard for the average working person. As hard-working people have their dreams liquidated over your public temper tantrums, you continue to mock them with memes from one of your million-dollar mansions. You may think you are the smartest person in the room, but now you have met your match. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. Expect us.
YouTuber and drone pilot Joey Helms recently shared the video of the epic drone crash while it was flying over the exploding lava fountain in the Gelding-Ottelier Valley. The extraordinary footage showed the moment the drone crashed into Fagradales Fjall volcano's molten lava, providing a mesmerizing yet horrifying close-up view. China's artificial sun broke the world record by achieving plasma temperature at 120 million Celsius for 101 seconds and 160 million for 20 seconds. The ultimate goal should be keeping the temperature at a stable level for a long time. The purpose of the artificial sun is to replicate the process of nuclear fusion to generate power. Over nuclear fission, nuclear fusion have advantages: no nuclear waste, safer,